All right, folks, what do you say? Friday morning, last trading day of the week, time to get after it. Here's what you need to know. Been a very, very quiet session overnight. Markets are flat heading into that morning trade. Let's recap the week, though. First week of earnings, seeing a lot of banks reporting. A lot of banks are beating these estimates, beating them in a big way for some of these banks, yet we're having a hard time getting this market to catch another leg higher. Could that trend continue as the rest of earnings plays out? Something to keep an eye on. Dollar, been one of the strongest weeks for the dollar in some time. We're seeing the dollar up about 0.5% against the euro and sterling on the week, seeing it up 0.7% against the Aussie. Now for today, again, as I said, quiet heading into the open, dollar flat, markets are flat, oil hovering right around $71 a barrel. We do have retail sales due up this morning at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. So that's about an hour and a half out. Make sure you're ready. That's going to be right there for you at the opening trade. Could see some volatility. So all that said, I know it's been a lackluster week. There is more opportunity on the table. That opportunity is today. Let's get in there. Let's trade it up. Hope you folks have a good weekend. I'll see you Monday.